Okay, we are making Kyle's Kitchen. All right. So we are making today zucchini, onion zucchini pasta with chicken. I have the chicken ready. All right. I already prepped up the vegetables. Okay. So basically, I'm gonna cut this orange. Okay. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to throw some more butter. I have a saute pan with onions and zucchini. Throw some more butter in there. Got to get it really buttery. Alright. And you see the butter, we're going to incorporate the butter into the pan. We want to get it as really buttery as possible because we're going to add it with the marinara sauce. Okay. Now we take orange, we do some orange acid, we put some acid in here, alright, just to give it some more flavor, so lemon zest, orange zest, okay, and then we're going to mix it around. I got the pasta going right here on the stove top. Now we're going to mix it around and we're going to incorporate it and saute it. Basically, French term, we like to say saute, but you could say sweat the vegetables, because it's the same thing, basically. And the reason why I put so much butter in here, I put 4 tablespoons of butter because I'm gonna mix it with marinara, and I want it to be thick. I want it to be really thick, and I want it to have a creamy consistency to it. The pasta is not al dente yet, as you can see. It's kind of hard. It's not hard yet. It's not flimsy, and it's not al dente, but maybe like 6 more minutes and it'll be done. You just gotta keep mixing it, you know. You mix it, you put the spoon down, you put the ladle down, and then take a break. Because it cooks and it does it boils. You don't really have to baby it or nurse it. So I got the zucchini, onions going. Put some lemon zest, orange zest in there. I think I'll do one more squirt of orange just to give it some extra flavor. See? Squeeze, incorporate. Okay. It's good, it's good. You know, homemade sauces are always the best. I'm gonna throw this out. Okay. And sometimes I like to listen to Frank Sinatra while I'm cooking in the kitchen, Italian style. Yeah. So that's how I do when I got my big pot. Okay. So basically we got the zucchini and we got the pasta going. Marinara sauce is on the side. So I already pre-prepped everything, as you can see. I'm gonna take the pasta, put it in the strainer after it's done cooking, and then I'm gonna put the marinara sauce on top of the vegetables, and that's gonna make the sauce. It's gonna thicken up because of the butter and the zest. It's gonna give it good flavor. And then the pasta, we shall put that. Mix everything in, and I do have some chicken right here. I'm gonna put some chicken in there just to give it some protein, and to, you know, because you make it more hearty. So it should be good. It should be a healthy dish, except for the butter and the fat. I like to use butter, not margarine, because margarine has too much salt in it, and I like unsalted butter. It's my favorite. I don't know about you, but yeah, that's my favorite. So we're just gonna stir this, stir it around a little bit, you know, give it a little wiggle, jiggle, wiggly, jiggly, jiggly puff. All right, and I will take a picture and I will post the final dish on Facebook. Thank you for cooking with. This is Kyle's Kitchen, cooking with Kyle. Deuces.